Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to design a Canva newsletter template for your special email marketing. So the first thing you have to do is to just go to your Canva homepage and click on templates. Then you can choose your business or marketing. Choose marketing because email marketing is under marketing. So just scroll and look for newsletter. This is the newsletter. Click on newsletter, and then it will bring a variety of templates for you to choose from. You can see that you are over 4038 templates. So depending on the business you own or you run, you would know the best newsletter to send to your loyal clients or customer base. And so let's assume I run a what good example would I okay, let's say I have a drink business. So all I'll have to do is let me just choose. So I can just search for it instead of going through the initial method I showed you guys. Drink newsletter. So it will give me all the newsletter that has drinks or a liquid there, and I can proceed to edit them and make them mine. So this is how to create a special newsletter on Canva. I'll see you guys in the next one.